What is going on, guys? It is your boy Ethan Elder here, coming at you guys with another video, back to back. Okay, I will not be uploading tomorrow, however, so that's why I'm coming at you guys with this video today. I was gonna make this video my 100 subscriber special, but you know what? I was like, I gotta give it to them early because the boys are not gonna get a video tomorrow, and I feel bad. So Monday is gonna be my 710 milliliter chug challenge. Well, not chug challenge, burp challenge. That was going to be Monday, and then Tuesday is going to be another calling in sick to places that I don't work at, or something along those lines. So on Sunday, if you guys want to peep the video that I just uploaded, which was on Friday, go check that out. It's a funny ass video, and I think even though if you came here for burps, you can enjoy that video because I think it was pretty funny, not gonna lie. So if you guys enjoy that type of content, please go check that out. If you're new, then please go check that out as well and subscribe. Thank you guys very much for 70 subscribers and 3,000 channel views already. Just after 2 weeks of having this channel or uploading on this channel, I already have that amount of love and support, so that's pretty fucking dope. This was harder than it seemed. I did have some big dry burps like I showed at the beginning, and I do have some ones that are in the video, but for the most part, they just aren't that big of burps because dry burps just aren't that big. This video is unedited because you guys did ask for that, so that was the plan heading in. If you guys want to make another one of these in the future, just let me know in the comments, and I can do an edited one where it's just all big dry burps. So guys, thank you guys very much for watching, and let's get into the video. So if you do not know what a dry burp is, basically where you bring air up with no like pop or like beer or anything. You store it in your throat, and then you wait to get enough air, and then you burp it out. So it's kind of like it's really hard to do because sometimes when you're trying to burp it out, you can swallow the air, and then it feels weird as fuck. But like you can then bring it up, but you can't really decide when you bring it up. And so it's kind of weird. So like you bring up that air that you swallowed maybe like 3 minutes later. So there's gonna be like a couple big burps because that will probably be the swallowed air, and then there's probably gonna be some small burps where it's just like just regular a dry burp, because dry burps really aren't that big whatsoever. So I guess I'll come back with the first dry burp. I fucking hate doing dry burps. It's so hard to dry burp. And I just swallowed a big gulp of air too, so I guess I'll have a big dry burp in a sec. Oh, I swallowed more air. Fuck. My stomach's just filled with air right now. Oh, I thought it was gonna be the big old thing. I thought it was gonna be the gulp of air there. Oh, I'm trying to get this big gulp of air out. Just sitting in my stomach. Oh, I can feel the air just sitting in there. It's such a bad feeling. After I get this big burp out, what I'm done, it's just such a bad feeling. That was the big dry burp. That was like all the air, but I still feel some air in my stomach, so I gotta keep going till I get that air out too. That was the big dry burp. Yeah, I'm out now. I was gonna end it there, but I can't leave the boys like that, so I'm gonna do some more dry burps. Oh, that was a nice one. I didn't even fucking hold that in either. Oh, I swallowed so much air. Oh. That was the swallowed air that just came out. swallowed some more air, so I'm not gonna wait for that to even end it. So, oh, here we go. That was a nice one. That was a fucking nice one. And I've cleansed the air now too. I'll do one more big burp just so I can feel good about myself for uploading this. Oh, I swallowed some more air. There we go. Oh, swallowed some more air. Oh, here we go. And I'm completely out of air. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, please don't forget to slap a like on it. Again, new video Monday, no new video tomorrow, so go watch the video that I uploaded on Friday if you want some more content and you guys haven't seen it. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, uploading every single day past Sunday. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, again, like and subscribe. And this has been your boy Ethan Elder. Peace.